Begin to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Press the button, ma'am.
We're going to brunch at MTO because we don't know how it's pronounced.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
And we're at City Hall.
Ratchet.
I just want to get across the street. That's it. That's all. Packed like everywhere else in Vegas. Can't bring her anywhere.
Nowhere.
We're just here for the mimosas. So we're trying to get some bikes to ride around the strip. But obviously it's not working.
We're using the kiosk. We're at the bikes here.
We're having difficulties. So. Alright, let's see if this gonna work this time, y'all, because it's hot out here. It's too hot to be playing. And we're just trying to get our bikes. We're gonna go riding or whatever. Little bikes. Tired of walking, my feet hurt. It's ridiculous. And Vegas is really hot, so it's crazy. It's really crazy. I'm just hot. I'm going back to the shade until she get her bike because I'm too hot for this. She got hers, so I'm about to get mine. Lord. The problem was we didn't put a 1 in front of our area code. How were we supposed to know that? But whatever. Let's see. I'm about to type mine in right now. Check out a bike. We're happy not to be walking 24/7. So check this out if y'all come to Vegas. Get y'all some bikes. It's cheap, reasonable. We paid $5 for the Dasher Pass. And then after the first 30 minutes, we paid $4 for 30 minutes. So. Back on the strip. We're on the strip, y'all. It's shaking. We're on the strip now. We had to get some shade because it was outrageous. They got my friend back there. They walk in and we ride so low. Oh, dang, we gotta stop up here. This is ridiculous. One papaya, please. Back on the strip. The breeze feel good, as long as we ain't in the sun. Honestly. How many miles per hour was you going? I don't know, So we got stopped by security and they said we can't ride bikes on the strip. So we gotta go. We had to get off the strip and they want us to be on the main street, so I guess it's whatever. It's whatever. I'm not going. It's hot. But we out here. Good. We're about to go through the tunnel. Let's go. This bike needs to get up when I say get up. Ow! This is dangerous. We're going through the tunnel. Oh, Lord. Hope we don't hit nobody.
Begin to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Nowhere. That's what you don't do. Look at my back, ho. See if I got my back scraped up. My bike went over me. It's red. It's red. My bike flew over me, y'all. Dead ass. You did not hit brakes on that fast. Lord, I'm hurt, y'all. So we ended up back at our hotel, the Plaza. She bring me my water because it's too hot out here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, y'all. If y'all want to stay at the Plaza, it's not bad at all. It's reasonable prices. And like they got a lot of stuff for you to do. Of course, they charge a resort fee, but it's not as high as everybody else's. And it's good. Like tonight, we're going to go to bingo. We got the bikes right now. Hey. And look, we're right across from the strip. Literally right across from the strip. So we can go to the strip like every day. Every day. Every day. Like every day. I'm still injured and I'm still mad about it, but I guess. We got water. You got to stay hydrated in Vegas because what's the temperature? 107. 107. AKA hell. AKA death. Okay? So unless you want to pass out, you do your thing. Look, are they taking a picture? They taking a picture. Check them out. Check them out. Sweet home Alabama. Let's go left. The sun look like it's over there. We're gonna stay hydrated and kick it, period. Oh Lord, that stink. Oh Lord, that stink, didn't it? We're coming back to the station. Asia already dropped off her bike. She said she's too hot to keep riding. We paid $9 and it was fun. It was convenient. Yes. Make sure y'all put the 1 in front of your area code when you're checking out your bike or it will not work. Tell them, Asia, period. When? That's my son's name. Going to the sugar factory. Yeah.
Yes, just walk straight to that.
So it's like an outside thing. So I thought it was inside. We didn't know where we was going, y'all. Basement supply. So we got to the front to make a reservation for in a few hours. And she gonna say, oh, the earliest is tomorrow. No, we've been calling all day and ain't nobody answering the phone to even take a reservation. So you gonna sit us. So yeah, we're outside on the patio. We're gonna get our drinks and get the okay. It's the menu. This is crazy. It's crazy. He's so excited. Are y'all gonna say happy birthday to me? Ding dong. Yeah, but no. Happy birthday. Thank you. This is nice. They don't got no roaches or nothing. Look, that is surprise to me.
It's not gonna lose.
Let me do it. It's strangling. I got you. I got you. Oh, Lord. I can't do it. It's gonna burn my nail. Let me see it. All or nothing. All or nothing, ladies.
Birthday, Auntie. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. She's got her. What's your name?
Taylor.
Tyler.
Yep.
Happy birthday, Tyler.
Thank you. Thank you. You can't cover it up. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, make it bounce, yeah. Make that clapping sound, yeah. Right now, yeah. Shawty, you so mean, yeah. Twerk team, yeah. I'ma throw this green, yeah, on the scene, yeah.
Go get some pussy, wipe your nose, cause it's a next flow. Why you clapping on my name? You only do that shit for fame. I ain't worried about y'all bitches, gotta keep my bag in sand. It's little class on the beat, and you already know. Go get some pussy, wipe your nose, cause it's a nasty flow.
See, we like you. I sure need a massage. Look at Asian milk.
Oh my goodness. It's not even on yet and I love it.
You're gonna fly to space right now, like Jim Bezos.
Right.
You're gonna drift off to space. This is how you treat a lady for her birthday. I came to Sephora to get my free gift because if it's free, I want it, you guys. Hello. She told me that I could come up here and get my free gift for the birthday.
Yeah, go ahead and enter your phone number for your rewards.
I'm not doing anything on this end.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can I get a seal at Cash Wrap for a birthday?
I think I'm gonna get this one.
That one? Okay. I mean, you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
You're no problem.
It's a bronzer and a lipstick, y'all. Check me out. I'll see what it's talking about one of these days. We're leaving. How you feel, Asia? How you feel?
Drunk. I'm drunk.
We're finally leaving, y'all. Hopefully we don't miss our flight. But we was up all night. Let's get to this airport. We was about to miss our flight, but you know what I'm saying? Track Star has to be activated.
Track star. My Frankie.
Throw bike. Throw bike. Bye-bye, babies. Bye-bye. You showed us a good time. You gave what you were supposed to give. It's given Sin City.